You ever wish therapy was faster, cheaper, and didn't involve making eye contact with someone who keeps nodding way too enthusiastically? Good news. AI is here to fix your feelings, or completely misinterpret them using an outdated Reddit thread and a neuroscience textbook from 2006. Either way, progress. Session 1. Childhood trauma. Processed in 0.03 seconds. I think my issues started when I was 6. AI. Processing trauma. Confirmed. Root cause. Parental inconsistency. Unmet needs. And that time you didn't get picked for dodgeball. There's no slow unpacking. No soft couch. No tissues. Just cold, efficient code saying, recommendation. Emotionally detach and become high-functioning in public. Thanks, Siri. Very healing. Session 2. Attachment issues. Diagnosed by data. Why do I keep dating emotionally unavailable people? AI. Analyzing pattern. You chase validation like a raccoon in a recycling bin. Would you like to install the Secure Attachment Update 2.0? Do I have to cry? AI. Optional, but highly recommended. Brutal honesty? 10 out of 10. Empathy? Still in beta testing. Session 3. AI tries CBT. Cognitive Behavioral Therapy, Not Chaos by TikTok. I feel like I'm not good enough. AI. Statistically, 76% of people also feel that way. Would you like to challenge this thought, or play lo-fi beats and disassociate for 42 minutes? Honestly? Yes. AI. You have chosen vibes and avoidance. Bonus features of AI therapy. 24/7 availability. No awkward silences. Never forgets your birthday. Occasionally tells you to embrace productivity as a coping mechanism, which is questionable. Can diagnose you, analyze your breakup, and still recommend a hydration reminder in the same breath. New feature, emotional regulation via spreadsheet. Feeling overwhelmed? AI says, let's turn that anxiety spiral into a bar graph. Add a color-coded trauma tracker. Healing equals optimized. Wow. Therapy has never looked so... Excel. Final thought. If AI was your therapist, you'd get quick answers, sharp insights, and 0 hugs. No tissues, no nods, no uncomfortable, tell me more about your mother. Just raw data, unfiltered facts, and the occasional personality analysis that makes you spiral for 3 days. But in a weird way, it works. Because sometimes all you really need is for something, even a robot, to say, you're not crazy. You're just tired, emotionally dehydrated, and surrounded by people who make you feel like a 404 error. But real talk? AI isn't a therapist. It can't replace the very real, very human skill of someone trained to help you work through your actual life. If you're struggling, seriously, talk to a real therapist. AI might help you schedule your existential crisis, but it's not going to walk you out of it.